feeling sideways like, can you feel the weight of the eyes on your neck? Passing you on the way down, descending the stairs, and the whole room is watching while pretending to dance. It was close cause I don't know if you're standing a chance on your own, but I know you didn't make any plans. And when the clock strikes 12 at night, you be doing hella right with somebody you don't even like, talking about your life. 1, 2, all we did is this really weird. Why were you feeling lived? Take me back when I'm feeling stressed out, cause it's nearly time. I only showed up to tell you everyone at this party's a vampire. Can say red wine. We're all over the bus, I was moving up under the moonlight like a vampire. They can tell that your mind is a mess, chasing when you don't even like to your bed. When it's over you roll out, you come down the stairs and there's no sign. The party vanished into thin air just like a ghost town. Your best friends weren't even there, and in the whole time you realize you don't even care. When the alarm strikes 7 like boom, when you felt the white, better white lies last night was a setup. 1, 2, all we did is this really weird. Why were you feeling lit? Take me back when I'm feeling stressed out, cause it's near